Today we discuss about MCQ in polity. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. At present, right to property under the Constitution of India is a fundamental right, legal right, moral right, none of the above. Right option is option number B, legal right. Next, what is the position of the rights to property in India? Legal rights available to citizen only, legal rights available to any people, fundamental rights available to citizen only, neither fundamental nor legal rights. Right option is option B, legal rights available to any person. Next, right to property according to the Constitution of India is a fundamental right, directive principle, legal rights, social rights. Right option is option C, legal rights. The right to property was deleted from the list of fundamental rights guaranteed to the Constitution of India by 42nd Amendment, 43rd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 46th Amendment, 5th Amendment. Right option is option number C, 45th Amendment Act. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to equality, right against exploitation, right to property, right to freedom of religion. Right option is option number C, right to property. At present, the right to property is a legal right, viz. No person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law under Article 300A inserted by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Next, which one of the following is not among the six fundamental rights provided by the Constitution of India? Right to equality, right to property, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion. Right option is option B, right to property. Which of the following rights is not a fundamental right? Same questions. Right to property is not fundamental right. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Same questions repeated. Right to property is not fundamental right. Indian Constitution does not grant which of the following rights? Right of equal shelter, right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to liberty. Right option says option number A, right to equal shelter. The Indian Constitution gives right to equality, Article 14 to 18, right to freedom of religions 25 to 28, and right to liberty 19 to 22, but does not provide right to equal shelter. Next, the right to equality is granted by 5th article in the Indian Constitution. These are Article 13 to 17, Article 14 to 18, Article 15 to 19, Article 16 to 20. Right option is option B, Article 14 to 18. Next, which of the following is not a fundamental right granted by the Indian Constitution to the citizen? Right to settle in any portion of the country, right to gender equality, right to information, right against exploitation. Right option is option number C, right to information. According to the decision of Supreme Court, the right to information lies in the right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19, Clause 1, Clause A of the Constitution of India, although it is not mentioned in the Constitution of India. Next, which one of the following rights is available to all persons under Indian Constitution? Right to equal protection of the law, right against discrimination, right to freedom of speech and expression, cultural and educational right. Right option is option number A, right to equal protection of the law. Right, equality before law or equal protection of the law is guaranteed by the Article 14, which is given to all persons under Indian constitutions, but the right against discrimination, Article 15, 16, right to freedom of speech and expression, Article 19 and Clause 1, Clause A, and the cultural and educational rights, Article 29 to 30, are available only to the citizen of India. Choose the fundamental rights available to Indian citizen but not to align: freedom of speech and expression, equality before the law, right of minorities, protection of life and liberty. Options are 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 3, none of the above. Option number A is right, 1 and 3. freedom of speech and expression, and rights of minorities. Right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19 and cultural and educational rights of minorities under Article 29 are available to Indian citizens only.